Well, hello, this is Timonism TV here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an image that is too dark lighter. And basically, load up your image in PaintNet that you think it's too dark. You can see this image has some really dark spots here, and it has lots of contrast, but I want it to be a bit more balanced. What you do now is you click the image here at layers and duplicate the layer. Then this layer you have above, you will go to adjustments and set it to invert color, or click Ctrl Shift I. Now you go to effects, to unsharpness or blur, and then you go to Gaussian blur, and then you set it to I think 82% for this image, but it can depend a little bit, and you can play around of what works best. An HD image can take a little time to render, just like this one, so just wait for that. Then what you want to do now is go to settings on the layer down here in the bottom right corner. You want mixing method. You want to change this to overlay. And now you can see the amazing effects. Here you have the slider. You can set of how much you want it to be, how much you want it to add. You can switch between no such thing, and here just clicking you can see the big effects here. So the more we drag the slider up, of course this means that we will also get much ISO distortion, so I probably would keep this to around half of the slider, like 50% or maybe a little more. So basically that's what you do, and I will set this to 71, 70 is probably good for this one. 70, right. Click OK, and then you just save this image. And you can, well, if you're brave, or what should I say, like me, I'll just save over the old version. And there you have. Remember to export in 100% quality. And there you have your better image. And you have to merge the layers. It will ask you for that, but when you've done that, just save it, and there you have it. Your image that is now much more balanced in color and lighter up. Very useful trick for fixing your night photography images. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and please like this video if it helped you out. Post some suggestions in the comments of other videos you would like to see, because we do take suggestions. This is Timonism Total Nerdy Channel. That's wrong. This is Timonism TV, signing out.